Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your Realme is updated and that you have a backup of important settings. Once done, unlock the phone and go straight to Settings. From there, open Home Screen and App Drawer. This area controls the left side feed. Scroll to find Google or Google Assistant options inside that panel so you can change which app controls the left pane. You're doing this now to prevent accidental re-enabling later, so keep the Settings app open and ready. Next, tap the Google or Assistant entry to open the detailed Assistant settings. Once inside, look specifically for the home screen left page or swipe left action option. Realme places this under Home Customization or Default Apps. Toggle off the Google Assistant feed or change the default left page app to None or the System Home. This removes the Assistant trigger. Make sure to confirm any prompts and exit back to the home screen so changes take effect immediately. Finally, return to the home screen and swipe left to verify the assistant no longer appears. If the left pane still shows Google Assistant, clear defaults for the Google app in Apps Google Storage and then reboot the device. This resets the handler. Once restarted, recheck the home settings. If all else fails, update or reinstall the Google app, then reapply the Disable option. This resolves cases where an app glitch forces the feed back on. That single reboot usually fixes residual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.